How to follow users in Bigo Live. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily follow them. First of all, open the application. So as you can see, I'm in my home page. So this is the place where you'll be able to find different users and streamers that are online. Now you can surf through it and select the one whom you want to follow. So here I'm tapping on one. Now here on the top, you can see this profile like icon. Simply tap on this profile like icon. Now here you can see two different options, follow and chat. Simply tap on follow, and as you can see, you have started following them. Now later when you open the app or even use it, the notification will pop up when they go online and you can easily watch their stream and enjoy it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.